Is everything, is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Okay, we in here. We in the building. Hey everyone, what's up? I want to be here. So, I apologize about the echo in the room. I don't know what I'm going to do to figure that out, honestly, because it's not that much stuff in here. It's not a lot of furniture in my filming room, beauty room, studio, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to catch an echo, so I apologize about that. I'll try to figure it out later or whenever, because I didn't even realize it until right now when I'm talking. I'm doing natural lighting. Let me know how y'all like this natural lighting situation. I'm loving it because you guys can like see my true complexion. I feel like the ring light is a little harsh sometimes. So yes, and if you want to see a hair tutorial on this hair, it is up. So click the link in the bio. I'm in the description box. What am I talking about? This is how you know I haven't filmed in a while. But make sure your post notifications are turned on so you are notified whenever I post a video. And also make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, but I'm mainly on Instagram at Mona X Banks. Help your girl get to 10K on Instagram. Okay, we're doing makeup today, and we're doing Fenty Beauty. I've had this Fenty for a little minute now, and I just haven't shared it with you guys, my thoughts of stuff. I have worn it, so I know how I feel about it, but you guys don't know how I feel about it, so that's what we're gonna talk about today. I think the packaging is super cute, and I am in the color 440. Okay, that's what I color matched myself with at Sephora. I have worn this one other time, so like I said, I know how I feel about it. But I'm so spaced out, so excuse me if I'm spaced out. If you guys don't know, it says shake well. If you guys don't know, I just recently moved, so I'm just using 2 pumps. This is not even supposed to be a chit chat, get ready with me. But I just recently moved, and I don't know why, but the last time I used this foundation, I feel like I just put 2 more pumps. But anyways, I just, cause I think it's soaked into my Real Technique sponge. I just recently moved, so my life really kind of has been in shambles. And not even, I mean, I just had a lot going on. You know how it is when you move. And as you guys can see, I'm in a new setup. And I totally forgot to prime my face. Okay. Anyways, I did my eyebrows and stuff off camera, but you guys know how it is when you just move, like, I don't know, it's chaotic, you know? And trying to adjust and trying to get a dog. Caviar, as you guys know, Caviar is my dog. I feel like I have to use a lot of foundation because I like full coverage, but anyways, trying to get a dog to adjust to a new home, it's kind of hard a little bit. Well, it's been hard for me, so I haven't really been filming videos, and that's why I'm currently trying to get back in the swing of things. So bear with me if I'm a little, or I seem a little off today. I'm just off. My last video that I posted, this hair tutorial, I do not like my eyebrows in that video, so excuse me, but I like my eyebrows today. But anyways, if you guys do not know, which I'm sure you guys do know, that this is a very, 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 very lightweight foundation. It doesn't even really feel like you have foundation on. And like I said, I have the color 440, and on camera it's coming off really red right now. But in real life, it's not this red. But it's just coming off as being really, really red. For whatever reason. But yeah, it's really not this red in person. So I am gonna like show you guys how long it lasts. I'm kind of getting started like late. I think it's like after 1. Yeah, it's like 1:30. So I'm gonna leave it on for some hours just to show you guys how it holds up on my skin and everything. So this is my base. I do like how it does cover pretty well, but I do feel like I have to use multiple pumps of it. This is not even supposed to be a review, honestly, because this is all old and outdated. Like, I don't even know if anybody is even caring about Fenty Beauty anymore. I'm like I'm like the last to even talk about it here probably on YouTube, only because when it first dropped, y'all, it was so hard to get it here. And every time I would go to Sephora, they're like, order it, but I don't like ordering foundation online unless I know my exact color. Like, I just don't like doing that, because then I have to take it back and it's just too much. So to avoid that, I ended up going back home, and believe it or not, where I'm from, they had it. They had the Fenty. And I didn't even prime today, and I had my primer out. But anyways, they had my shade, so I just went ahead and got it there. So yeah, I do not like wearing foundation online. Like jeans and like makeup, I'll order makeup, like concealer and stuff, but foundation, I just, Oh, this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in 1050. I used to think this was too light for me, but it actually looks good once I blend it out and set it and everything. And I really like this ColourPop concealer because it blends so well. It blends so well. And you guys know I'm just using the Real Technique sponge. You guys have been asking me for makeup stuff. And honestly, I do the same thing. That's why I never do it really a lot. And you guys always say you want to see it no matter what. But I literally do the same thing. So I'm just kind of like, why do you guys want to see it? But I'm going to give y'all what y'all want. I'm going to give the Mona B crew, y'all don't even have a name. We need a name for y'all, but I'm going to give y'all what y'all want. This braid is like giving me life. Okay, let me get back to the makeup because I'll be here all day rambling. Okay. Okay. I'm actually really sleepy right now, to be honest. And it came out of nowhere. I kind of got up really early today, and I need a nap. I need a nap. Okay, and I need to get me a monitor because I don't really be able to see. I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses palette. You guys always ask me about this. I got it from the beauty supply store. It is just a contour palette, and y'all can see I'm hitting pan. That's how much I use it. But I like to take these two colors and I just set my face. This is like a bootleg. It is a bootleg. Y'all forgive me. I'm really scatterbrained right now, but I'm trying to push through. Anyways, we're gonna make it do what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it do. I'm just saying stuff. But y'all know I don't wear eyeshadow. I don't wear eyeshadow because I'm not shady. I don't like to throw a lot of shade. My name is Mona B, and I ain't got time to be blending and being shady all day, because when you wear eyeshadow, you gotta shade and blend, and that's just not for you, girl. I'm not the type of chick. Wow, I need to go to bed. I need to take a nap because I'm dead. But I don't wear eyeshadow. And you guys know that. Most of you guys know that. I just don't. It's just not for me. Okay? So if you want to add eyeshadow to this look, you can. But my makeup, I do the same thing every day when I do wear makeup. I don't wear makeup every day now. Okay? So I'm going to take my Black Radiance palette. I love this palette so much. No, but I love this palette so much. So I'm going to take it. And I get the palette in dark, and I love the contour color. I don't really use the sculpting color. It doesn't do anything for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little contour. I hope this is looking good because I really don't know how this is looking. But hopefully the lighting and everything is. Well, I'm relying on natural lighting, so you know how that goes. We'll see. But I'm liking it. And I just go around my forehead and around my head and everything, because you don't want to be walking around with a mask of foundation on. It's not cute. And then I'm just gonna do my jawline and everything. That's just what I'll do. And then I take this eyeshadow brush that you're supposed to pack eyeshadow on your lid with. And I take the tip of it, as you can see, and I contour my nose. And see, I knew this was gonna happen. Today when I do a makeup video, I knew that this little acne scar on my nose was not gonna let me be great. And any other day when I put on foundation, I promise y'all, it covers up with no problem. Cause I don't like to color correct. I don't like to color correct because it always comes through your foundation, and I don't want to do all those extra steps just to make sure it doesn't come through my foundation. So I just don't even wear it. But I'm just gonna take this little brush. You guys asked me where I get these brushes from. These are BA Cosmetic brushes. And then like this wooden contour brush came in a wooden set from eBay. And the other brush that I was using to put the powder on, I will link it in the description box. But yeah, my brushes, I don't spend a lot of money on brushes. I know that brushes make a big difference with your makeup application. But I feel like for what I do is perfectly fine. If you know what I mean. Comment down below and let me know. Do you like Fenty? You guys have been asking for my opinion. And I will say that I like it. I do like the foundation. It's very lightweight. But the gag is, the first time I wore it, I feel like it broke me out. Because after I took it off, I cleansed my face and everything. The next day, I had little bumps right here. So I'm going to see if this can break me out. And I've been hearing that other people say that Fenty breaks them out. And they can't rock with it. So I hope I'm not. No, look what I just did. I hope I'm not. My nose is weird. I hope I'm not one of those people, because I actually really do like the foundation, because it feels like you don't have anything on, and her color range is really good. You know, there's a color for everybody. So I really do hope that I don't break out. Because this is a dirty e.l.f. brush. Ding! And this is a Makeup Forever powder. So I just like to use this to blend my contour, to blend it out. I'm not wearing lashes today because I'm not going anywhere, and I really be trying to give my eyes a break from that glue, because sometimes that glue can be very irritating to the eyeballs, well, to the eye, whatever. So I haven't been wearing it. Well, I be trying not to wear lashes a whole lot, but I do love lashes, and I know this look will be, my little piece of hair was sticking up in the back, but anyways, I know this look will top it off, but I'm not today. So after that, I usually spray my face, and I use this, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think it's Giovanni. I don't even think that's how you pronounce it. But I get it from the beauty supply store. You guys always ask me about this matte finish makeup setting spray. And I like it because it really works. It's really comparable to the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I do have that one. I typically only wear that one when I'm like going out or something like that, because that one's a bit pricey. But this is what I wear like on the usual. And it really holds up. And especially if you live in Georgia, y'all know that it has been hot this week. The heat is kicking, okay? The heat is kicking. You do not want your makeup sweating off on your shirt, okay? So I'm just gonna spray my face. Like so. Of course, I'm using Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I really like this. I really like it. I already used it, so I can just tell y'all. I really like it. The only thing is the packaging is cute, but it's white, and I just been getting it dirty. I'm just gonna use this stippling brush from e.l.f. and put on the Fenty Beauty. You see the Fenty Beauty? Woo! I done packed it on. Put some on my nose. I'm trying. My and on my forehead and my, what do you call that? What do you call it? I'm just blending it out with a blush brush, and I think I put too much of it on today. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I might have to get another brush to blend this out. But did you guys ever see Samia? I know y'all know who Samia is, from LaToya's life, LaToya's little daughter. When she did that Fenty review, I lived. Like, When she put all that trophy wife on her, I thought it was the most adorable. It was like the cutest thing ever. It was just so adorable and cute. I could watch that video over and over again now because I put way too much. But it, you know, it's all good because it ain't nothing wrong with putting a little bit too much of the trophy wife. I think I'm even gonna go ahead and put some on my brow today, which I normally don't do. But Rihanna did her thing. Like, I haven't got a chance to get the other ones, but this trophy wife, she did her thing with it. She did her thing with it, okay? I'm about to put this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in a pitch. And of course, your girl had to get, I didn't get any lipsticks or anything from the line. I literally just got the foundation, that trophy wife, but I had to get the Fenty Glow, what do you call this? The Gloss Bomb. But yes, I had to get this because, and I've been loving this. First of all, look how big the applicator is if you haven't seen it. The applicator is huge and it's nice and soft, and I just really like it, and it gets a lot of product on it, and just how I like it. So yes, the way this smells, it smells so good, and it's so moisturizing, and I feel like it was worth the money. Like, it was worth it. And I just feel like it just brings out your lip color. It's so cute. It's so moisturizing and it smells amazing. To put on mascara because I'm looking real bald on the eyes. I put mascara and everything on. So this is what I'm giving you guys, fresh face. Like, that's what I really like about the Fenty Beauty, like the foundation and stuff. I didn't get the primer or anything like that because I'm really picky when it comes to primers. Excuse me. But it just looks so natural. Like, it looks like my skin. And what else I like about it is that concealer sits really well on top of this foundation. Like, everything just blends so seamlessly. So I really like that. So I love the foundation. I just hope that, I hope that little breakout that I had wasn't from the foundation. I'm really hoping. I haven't worn it since then because this is the foundation that I had wore at the World Natural Hair Show. So hopefully I'm praying that break me out or I don't have that same reaction. I'm not sure if it was from the foundation, but that was the only thing new that I tried that day. So it is about probably almost 2 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna come back in a few hours and show y'all what my face is giving you. But right now, I'm loving it. It looks so good, and I love the highlight. Trophy wife is beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. Hey y'all, oh my god, I look kind of weird. So I'm back. I was trying to get back here before the sun went down and everything like that. So, as y'all know, I forgot to prime, but I have not touched my face or touched it up in about 5 hours because it's like 7 o'clock now, I believe. So 2, 3, 4. So yeah, about 5 hours. So this is how much oil I have. So I feel like this is really good for me per se because I am an oily girl. And if my makeup, oh my god, it's not even that much light. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. But what I was saying, I'm an oily girl, so for me to only have this little bit of oil like around my nose is good. So in 5 hours and I haven't touched it. So I'm just gonna blot my face, or powder my face. Yeah, I like Fenty. It holds up really well. And I will let y'all know in the description box if it broke me out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video of me testing out the Fenty for you guys, because I know it's been a long time coming. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.